What you got today, Ask?
Papa.
Choc bar. Kinder eggs.
Oh, where's the bin?
Oh, you haven't got your bin. So we got marble Kinder eggs today, haven't we? You need to show the boys and girls what you're going to get. Put the chocolate in here. Daddy's going to go look for your bin. Keep talking to everyone, you can.
Okay, so we're going to open it.
It's upstairs. I took it upstairs.
And out comes...
Loki! We've got Loki again. We've already got Loki.
Here's Loki. The Bible's good here.
So we've got Loki. Should we put Loki there? Who else we got? Ask.
Yeah!
We're going to do another one, are we? So we've got 6 marble eggs all together today.
Where's the pieces?
Because they're in special offer in Tesco's. Buy one.
Get one free.
Get one free. Let Daddy just make sure your table's still okay. So we've got Loki.
Instead of Loki, we
And we've got a big dog called Loki too, haven't we? Who's going outside.
Because she's the other one. Right there, these are the other ones that we could have got. So I suggest you zoom in.
No, we're not.
It's easier. Just
right.
You take it. Put it to the...
Okay, let's have a look. So
What's that?
we got Loki.
Spider-Man. And in this one we got Spider-Man.
Then we got Spider-Man in another one.
Oh, we fell over.
There we go. These are the ones we could have got. Unfortunately, the 2 we've got, we've already got. No, we can carry on opening them if we want to. We'll make one long video. Put all the chocolate. No, we'll eat the chocolate at the end. Naomi's going to open one now, Ask.
Me?
No. Just wait, please. That was our mother. She's the video wrecker.
And there's the video.
What one we got now?
Iron Man!
Daddy's got one he hasn't got.
I want Iron Man.
Iron Man, Iron Man, Iron Man.
You're crazy.
We got Iron Man, Ask.
Yeah.
Daddy needed Iron Man.
These are all of them as well. Got Iron Man. And this is Iron Man.
Yeah. Okay.
I want to get that one. Or that one.
Okay.
Captain America.
Naomi's turn again to open another one.
My turn.
Right, leave them there one at a time, please.
Okay. Spider-Man, and I got one that we haven't got. Some special. So anyway, so I'm just unwrapping them.
I want Hulk. Hulk or Captain America?
Oh,
Which
Captain
one?
America. Alright, I'm just unwrapping the chocolate off the toy.
It's 4. We've already got 4.
We've already got most of them, Tony.
We're not getting any different ones today, are we?
Okay, so that was Thor down there. And where's the slip thing? Here it is. You've already seen it, but just gonna...
Okay, it's your turn to open one now, yes, Ask?
I want to get Captain America.
So we got 4. We got Captain America.
That's Iron Man.
Yeah, Iron Man, sorry.
You do not know your Marvel.
Silly Dad, I do know them.
You do not.
We got Spider-Man and we've got Loki. Come on, Ask, be lucky and get a good one.
I want Captain America. Those chocolates are really nice. Bars.
Who we got? Who we got? Who we got, Ask?
That is a really inconvenient way to open it.
Yes, you're not supposed to open Kinder eggs like that, are we?
Spider-Man. It's Spider-Man.
Spider-Man again? We got 3 Spider-Mans, Mum.
Can I have one then?
Yes. Go on then, open the last one.
The last egg, hopefully it's going to be lucky egg.
Cross your fingers, Ask, and hope for one we haven't got.
Alright, so we're just going to unwrap the chocolate. Whoa! Raining! It's raining chocolate. Okay, so, I don't know. Is that like your fault?
We haven't got 4. We got 4 again.
Now I can have.
Oh dear. Daddy's gonna go and have a cry about this now. We still haven't got Captain America.
I'm not Captain America.
We still haven't got Captain America, and we still haven't got that. Should we say goodbye to everyone?
Bye.
Daddy's got to go help Mummy now.
Bye.
So we've had fun making a video.
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to.
Bye bye everyone.
Bye.